It is time.
Hi guys, Retrocengo here with another video that should hit most of my subscribers. Now on this channel I review retro PCs, pinball machines, Commodore 64s, Amigas and stuff like that. I love all retro computing. Love that stuff, and I have different subscribers on my channel, which I really appreciate. But today I'm going to make a giveaway video because the last giveaway video I made was about 1.5 years ago, guys. As you all know, I'm not the kind of guy that says give me money on Patreon and stuff like that. In this channel, I want to give you some nice giveaways. But how to get giveaways that matches for the guy that uses an Amiga 500, and the other guy that loves pinball machine, the third guy that loves his Commodore 64 retro piece, stuff like that. I want to give away some stuff that I have been donated on my YouTube channel. Being a YouTuber, we just get donated so much great stuff, guys, and I have, I will just give everything to the next guy. So what you have to do to get this beautiful stuff is you have to be a subscriber and write subscribe on the comments down below. Or if you're new to my channel, just subscribe and write it on the comments below. As soon as we hit 3,000 subscribers, I will find out who's going to get all the stuff. So let's just go ahead and see what we are dealing with here. The first thing is actually this mouse. It's called Steelseries Rival Optical Mouse, and 2 seconds, guys. I'll just open everything and make a mess here. Oh, nice! This mouse, isn't she beautiful? Yeah, this is how it looks. This one can be yours. The next one is this beautiful headset designed in Denmark by Steelseries. Let's go ahead and open this and take a oh, looks really, really nice. Yeah, again, Steelseries. It feels super, super nice. I'm just gonna pick one winner, guys. So one of you guys is gonna get all the stuff. So this feels nice. Yeah, it can be yours. The next thing is this, again, Steelseries Kinzu version 2 optical mouse, and yeah, as you can see, it's still sealed and it looks amazing, right? I don't have to open it, it's just brand new, so you can open it and enjoy it. Why am I giving 2 mouses? I don't know, just take it. But look at this, guys. Oh yes, look at this beauty from Steelseries, and it's called Apex 350 low profile customable gaming keyboard built for speed, and something in French or stuff like that. Oh, look at all those colors, and oh man, I have to open this. Let's just break this and okay, this keyboard, yeah, this beautiful keyboard can be yours. Let's just remove all this. Oh man, this looks great. Look at this craziness, man. Yeah, USB and another USB, I don't know why, but the Apex 350. Oh man! Beautiful stuff. This one can be yours also, so just go ahead and subscribe. And if you're an old subscriber, you are most welcome to enter this contest and just write subscribed. And yeah, as soon as we hit 3,000 subscribers, I will find the winner and I will send all this to you. The other thing is, when this is done, I will make another giveaway video with other Steelseries stuff. So yeah, what you just have to do is two simple stuff, guys. Subscribe and share this video, because the sooner people sees this and subscribes, the sooner I will pick a winner. I mean, it's just a couple of hundred subscribers, then we hit 3,000 and I will make this giveaway. And after that, I will make another giveaway, because I have some great stuff that I don't use. I don't use it, and yeah, why not let the next guy have fun with this, guys? I will try to repack everything, so you will get everything as new as possible with my finger thingies on. There you go, guys. And I will maybe sign here Retrocengo. Have a great day out there. Bye.